You found the home you love and you're thinking about putting an offer in, but it has an offer date. This is 2 yeses and a no, what to do to prepare yourself and what to expect on offer date and what you should and shouldn't do. So the first yes is, if they have an open house, absolutely go to at least 1 or 2 of the open houses and take your time. You have 2 hours in open house, usually it's from 2 to 4. You can go anytime at your leisure. You just sign in or tell the other person you have a realtor and just take your time. If you want to go both days, heck, go both days. Bring your parents, bring whoever you want, bring a home inspector, bring somebody along, and it'll satisfy you. I love the fact that you go see the property a second time and you get to enjoy the property, see yourself living in there. The second thing you're going to want to do is have your agent reach out to the listing agent and find out what other particulars that the seller's looking for. What's the closing date they're looking for, deposit, amount of money, how fast they need to move, find out any details you can about the sellers to help you along the way. And the no is, don't always expect the listing agent to update other agents about offers on the table. Unless you put an offer on a property, there's no obligation of the listing agent to tell you that offers have been registered. And some people had to learn that the hard way. So if you are interested in the property, talk to your agent before the offer date and have the offer ready and submit it. And that way you'll see if you're competing against anybody else.